Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to add neon text to your images. First off, this image is way too bright to be in a neon setting or whatever. So let's add a color lookup. I'm going to go to here and select night from day. Okay, pretty cool. I'll then merge these two together. And there we go. We're off to a pretty good start. Grab your type tool and write your text. Resize it. When I make neon text, I usually like to apply the least effects possible. So I usually start by looking for a really thin font. So I'm gonna go through some of my fonts over here. Okay, this looks pretty good. You can read it over here, font name. I also want my text to be centered, so I'll get the paragraph and click here. And let me think of where I want to position this. Let's see. Because maybe I want this to go over here. I'm gonna duplicate this, bring it on this other side, kind of like this. Yeah, might work. I'm gonna merge these two together or convert to smart object. I'm gonna double click on it and select outer glow. I'll select the color I want for my neon. Let's make it yellow for now. I think it'll pop out more. We can also change it later. And this is going to be at a higher opacity, but it's going to be smaller size. Kind of like this. We are going to Command J and duplicate our text. Otherwise, you can click and drag it onto this plus sign and it will create a duplicate. We're going to select the layer that's underneath, double click on it and edit our glow. We're going to reduce the opacity a little bit and increase the size. This is looking pretty cool. Press OK. We are going to now convert to smart object both of our text layers. Add a layer mask. I want this part to be underneath the subject. So with my brush tool set on black, I'm just going to brush away the parts that are on top of my subject's clothes. Right. And then I'm going to repaint a little bit over here. All right. Now, last thing I like to do. Now, keep in mind, this is the easiest way I could think of. It's obviously less realistic than those type of ways that have a million steps to them. But it's still quite effective. I then like to add a hue and saturation adjustment. Click on colorize, bring up the saturation, and then change the hue to whichever color I'm feeling. And there you go. That's it. Pretty cool, right? It's really easy and straightforward. You can get some really crazy awesome results just by doing these short quick steps. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe and leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see next. Also, give me a follow on Instagram if you don't already. I post daily on there as well, both on my Instagram feed and on my Instagram Reels. And I hope you enjoyed. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.